Welcome to the Minute Biology, your go-to platform for all things biology, explained in a concise and engaging way. Today's topic is a fascinating one: the method or system of naming living organisms. After introducing the Minute Biology, let's dive deeper into the incredible biodiversity and diversity of living organisms throughout the world. Biodiversity, or biological diversity, is the term given to the variety of life on Earth and the natural patterns it forms. It encompasses the wide range of organisms, from microorganisms and plants to animals, and the ecosystems they form. Biodiversity is vast, with estimates suggesting that there are millions of undiscovered species. From the densest jungles to the deepest oceans, life thrives in every corner of our planet. Each organism, no matter how minute or massive, plays a crucial role in the ecosystem. Understanding this diversity is not just fascinating, but also crucial for our survival. Each species has a place in the grand scheme of things, contributing to the balance of the ecosystem, providing us with food, clean air, water, and more. The more we learn about these diverse life forms, the better we can appreciate their role and protect them for future generations. Now, imagine a world brimming with millions of species, each unique and different in its own way. Scientists estimate that there are around 8.7 million species on Earth. Some familiar ones include the African elephant, the blue whale, and the humble housefly. But there's also the lesser-known blobfish, the glass frog, and the axolotl. Each of these organisms, no matter how big or small, familiar or obscure, needs a name. But why, you may ask? Well, having a standardized naming system helps scientists from different parts of the world communicate clearly. Without it, confusion would reign. For example, what one person calls a mountain lion, another might call a cougar, and yet another might call a puma. All these names refer to the same animal. To avoid such confusion, we use scientific naming, also known as binomial nomenclature. Binomial nomenclature, coined by Carl Linnaeus, is a two-part naming system. The first part is the genus, which is a group of closely related species. The second part is the specific epithet, which is unique to each species within the genus. Together, they form the species' scientific name. For instance, humans belong to the genus Homo, and our specific epithet is sapiens. Thus, our scientific name is Homo sapiens. This system of naming is governed by certain rules and conventions set by international nomenclature codes. There are different codes for different groups of organisms. For example, the International Code of Nomenclature for algae, fungi, and plants governs the naming of these groups. Similarly, the International Code of Zoological Nomenclature governs the naming of animals. Now, it's important to note that these names are often derived from Latin or Greek, and they're always italicized in print. The first letter of the genus name is capitalized, while the specific epithet is always in lowercase. So when you see a name like Panthera leo, you know it refers to the lion. So that's the science behind how living organisms get their names. It's a system that brings order to the immense diversity of life on Earth, making it easier for scientists and laypeople alike to discuss the world's species. If you found this video informative and enjoyed our journey through the world of biological nomenclature, do give this video a thumbs up. And remember, the Minute Biology is here to make biology simpler and more accessible for everyone. So hit that subscribe button and join us as we explore the amazing world of biology together. Thank you for watching.